Today's topic is to find all of the occurrences of a substring in a given string. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a regular expression, and the method two by using a starts with method and a list slicing. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a regular expression. First, we are going to import a library, that is import an RE. After that, we are going to initialize our string. Our first string is the given string and the second string is a substring. And after that, we are going to use an RE find iter over here. This is a method in which it's going to find the particular position of that substring in our given string over here. So for up to the I into the find iter method, which is the string 2 and the string 1, that is, it's going to search our string number 2 and our string number 1, and after that we are going to store those values into the list number 1. Here that I dot start is that it's going to start searching from that indexes in our particular string, and after that we have it as an output. As you can see it over here, our starting indexes of ABCs are 0, 8 and the 16.